Hello, ma'am. Uh, Thanks a lot for the gig. I will record this tutorial video for you. I'm recording with my phone because the audio will be clear. Okay, I will just show you how it's done. Okay, so simply, let's say you are selling t-shirts. You are selling pet t-shirts. Okay, so pet t-shirts. I had a quick search on Etsy. So let's see that. Okay, these are the items selling there. So basically what you need to do, you need to just open some of the best selling things, like they have all thousands of reviews. So let's say that they're selling pretty well. Let's see. Okay, let's just, for the example, I will take 4. Then what you need to do, you need to go to, you need to copy their shop name here. Then what you need to do, this is a tool called eRank. This is $10 per month. You need to come here and come to competition checker, your competition and listings. So you can enter the shop name here and it will analyze your listings. So basically what it does is, it gives you a real data, like which ones are favorite, which ones are not. So let's say this is the data. So let's say, okay, if you are selling just animal designs, something like that, you can just search for animal ones. Let's say this one, mama bear shirt. Let's say you decide to go with this one. So what is the thing is, you have the tags here, you have the keyword, you have the title, you have the design, you have the favorites and views. You know for a fact that this is selling, it's not guessing anymore. So what you can do is, you can see this design, you can click here and see this design. So this is selling a lot, so you can just redesign it. See, this is a really simple design, right? You can just redesign it in a way, then you already have the keywords and everything. You can just use them and that will boost the, okay, that will speed up and the research process and upload process, and the keywords will be done simultaneously. And I have been seeing great results through this method. I hope you understood this. I will say once more. So basically what you need to do, you need to search on Etsy anything you want. Then you need to go to certain shops. Let's say we'll try this one. You copy the shop name, then you need to go to Etsy, sorry, eRank. You need to then go to the competition listings. Then you need to analyze the listings, and then that's it. See, custom pet mugs, anything custom pets, or the custom designs are selling really well. And another thing you can see here, okay, the thing is, only 5-6 of their designs are getting maximum number of views. See, this has 3000 favorites, and the sixth number one has what, 153 favorites. Okay, so things like that, you can always um, use this data. This is a really important thing. The competition checker analyze shop listings. Okay, so these are all custom made things. These are all custom made items. So you can just ignore that shop. You can just make a list of shops you want. I have, for my personal use, I have made what, 200 shop list. I just repeat the simple process. just analyze the listings. Then you can just do a thing like you can take favorites up to, let's say, 300. So you will count favorites up to, let's say, 300. So you will count up to this thing. Okay, so below 300 you won't count this thing, that thing. So this Kanye West shirt, okay, this baseball t-shirt, this cancer t-shirt, go hiking, this is hiking t-shirt. So you just get the title, the tags, the keywords, the design. It's a winning design, you winning product. Okay, so I think you get what I'm trying to say. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm really sorry for the bad English and all. Thank you.